Bullish NEM cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 31 cents by 2030. Market experts accept XEM could reach 14 cents by 2025. Bearish NEM market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. NEM presentation. The NEM blockchain has been around well before the crypto frenzy began, and the XEM token is viewed as a veteran digital currency among specialists. NEM has a remarkable use case and is in fact not quite the same as non-exclusive blockchains, which is important for the justification for why financial backers from one side of the planet to the other are keen on the XEM token. In the event that you're keen on finding out about future NEM cost forecasts, you're perfectly positioned. In this video, we've summed up NEM cost forecasts, complete from NEM value today to average cost, past execution, normal exchanging esteem, current cost, market cap, least value worth, and greatest cost. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is NEM a wise venture for what's in store? How about we find out? What is NEM? NEM represents new economy development and is a biological system and blockchain convention worked by a Singaporean non-benefit association called the NEM Establishment. NEM began as a fork-out variant of NXT, a well-known blockchain-based cash and installment network stage. It advanced in 2015 to become NEM, fostering its own codebase to make NEM quicker and more versatile. Thus, the NEM cryptographic money stage was made, which was completely exceptional from the first NT it originated from. The vision behind NEM was expressly to offer a smoothed-out answer for associations that wish to use public blockchain networks. NEM gives associations the fundamental design to assemble custom venture blockchain arrangements, regardless of the fact that they are so new to the blockchain space. NEM is a two-layer convention fabricated utilizing the undertaking accommodating Java programming language, close by other generally embraced ones. NEM's essential center is to address the numerous specialized and calculated obstacles endeavors tackle while embracing blockchains, and its unmistakable, proficient arrangements deserve areas of strength for it around the world, particularly in East Asia. The NEM blockchain stands apart due to its solid organization, which upholds the association and support of both private and public blockchains through an agreement component. NEM's not difficult to arrange framework, open UI, and diligent local area are effectively combining customary strategic policies with the inventive universe of blockchain records and have gotten NEM a spot among the top blockchain conventions all over the planet. A prologue to the XEM coin. NEM's local token is called XEM. The symbolic's essential capability is to move esteem in the NEM organization, as with other blockchains. It can likewise be utilized to pay gatherers to approve exchanges and decision on administration choices. XEM has a most extreme stock of 9 billion tokens, and every financial backer should hold something like 10,000 XEM before they can collect or meet all requirements to procure or produce new blocks. NEM specialized investigation. Despite the fact that dealers are not yet involving XEM for the purpose of installment, it has filled altogether in esteem throughout the long term. The XEM token works on the standards of being secure, lightweight, reasonable, and dealing with bound-together cycles, which surely separates it in the jam-packed digital currency market. As the XEM token has shown exceptional value ups and downs since its establishment, a profoundly exact NEM cost conjecture is beyond the realm of possibilities. Like some other cryptographic money, XEM's cost is administered by exchanging volume, market development, and numerous different elements. Be that as it may, the future could hold huge development and worth appreciation for XEM. Late crucial advancements have pushed NEM's cost on a vertical direction, and the Guaj NEM value is by all accounts promising. With new organizations not too far off, NEM might come to the spotlight as a regarded digital currency with high investable potential. NEM current cost. NEM is right now worth 3 cents USD. XEM has moved 2.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,264,898. NEM is presently positioned 97 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $288,895,188 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for NEM to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. NEM value expectation 2022. NEM, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The XEM cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 4 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. XEM is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. NEM value expectation 2023. In 2023, XEM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XEM will before long outperform 8 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the XEM's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XEM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 6 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 7 cents. NEM value expectation 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 11 cents and XEM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. XEM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 10 cents and a low of 9 cents in 2024. NEM value forecast 2025. Assuming that NEM effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the XEM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XEM will be green in 2025. The XEM is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 14 cents, with a base cost of 12 cents and a typical cost of 13 cents. NEM value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the XEM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 16 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 16 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, XEM has a greatest value worth of 17 cents. NEM value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 19 cents. On the off chance that XEM figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 20 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help XEM needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 19 cents. NEM value forecast 2028. While XEM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 22 cents and a yearly cost close above 24 cents in 2028. NEM value expectation 2029. By 2029, NEM will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 25 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 27 cents, averaging out at 26 cents. NEM has arisen as a promising trendy blockchain that has set the establishment for building improved blockchain frameworks. The NEM network focuses on a portion of the primary trouble spots of existing blockchains, intending to counter organized clog and extended handling times. Its methodology likewise occupies the space among public and private blockchains, which marks NEM as a reasonable up-and-comer with high versatility potential. While the cost of NEM could go one way or the other, it positively is a commendable token to look out for from here on out. What is the NEM cost today? Today, NEM is exchanging at 3 cents with a complete market capitalization of $288,895,188. Is NEM a wise speculation? NEM ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy